Hello, welcome to your Finnish lesson. Today we're talking about numbers. This is not the first video in this series, so I recommend watching the other videos that teach you some basic words and greetings and also how to curse before or after this one, whichever you prefer. Now I'm only gonna be teaching the basic numbers today, and we're probably gonna have another lesson about numbers at a later point, but for now we're just learning the basics. And I will also be teaching you a few words that you often combine with numbers, like currency and like how many pieces. Let's get started. 1 is in Finnish yksi. Yksi. 2 in Finnish is kaksi. Kaksi. There is always a spoken shortened version of the numbers, so if someone's counting, they might say yks for yksi and kaks for kaksi. I will try to put it hovering how to write the spoken version, the informal version, so that you know it too when you hear it. 3 is kolme. 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 Informal version is kol. 1, 2, 3. 4 in Finnish is neljä. 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 Informal version is nel. 5 in Finnish is viisi. 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 Informal version is viis. 6 in Finnish is kuusi. 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 This word can also mean a spruce, you know, the tree that you get for Christmas, or your moon, but we'll look into this meme later, maybe in a special video. It's a concept of homonyms in Finnish, words that are written the same but have a different meaning depending on context. Informal version of kuusi is kuus. 7 in Finnish is seitsemän. 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 Informal version of this can be sei or seiska. And 8 in Finnish is kahdeksan. 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 Remember to pronounce the H at the end of the first syllable. And in informal language you can say kasi. And 9 in Finnish is yhdeksän. 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 Remember the H again. Yhdeksän. And informally ysi. And 10 in Finnish is kymmenen. 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 Informally kymppi. Okay, so that's for the starters. In Finnish, we have a very easy way to form spoken numbers. There is no weird exceptions, and everything kind of just flows together. You just take the numbers and you kind of just stack them. So let me explain quickly. So when we go to like 11, 12, 13, the teen ending in Finnish is toista. So we're just gonna continue. I'm gonna put the numbers here or something. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Nothing changes, you just add the ending. Okay? Next, we have the ending kymmentä, which means like 20, 30. But in Finnish, it's just a plural objective form of the word 10. Kymmentä. Kuinka monta kymmentä? How many tens? So you have kymmenen, which is just 10. Then comes 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Again, it's just the ending. Then comes hundreds. In Finnish, 100 is 100. And when there is several hundreds, it's 100. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Then we have 1000, and the objective plural form is 1000. So we have 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000. You know how it goes. Next we have million, which is miljoona. Miljoona. And the objective plural form is miljoonaa. So miljoona, 2 miljoonaa, 3 miljoonaa, 4 miljoonaa, 5 miljoonaa, and so on. Then comes billions, which in Finnish is miljardia. We have like billions and trillions, like, I don't know. Anyway, billions is miljardia. Miljardi is a billion, and when is the objective plural form again, we have miljardia. Miljardi, 2 miljardia, 3 miljardia, 4 miljardia, and so on. And last, we have the trillion, which in Finnish, I think, now I'm not sure about the English, but the next zeros give you in Finnish biljoona. So biljoona, 2 biljoonaa, 3 biljoonaa, 4 biljoonaa. It's just an additional A again, like it was with millions and hundreds. Then let's take an example word. I'm gonna write it for you here. I wrote myself an example word here, which would be 53 216. 53 216. This means 53,216. So as you can see, you just put things in line. It's very simple. When you want to say 53, that's 53. And when you say 53,000, that's 53,000. Right. It's very easy. You just need to make some examples. And like I said, 216 was the later part, which is 200, 200, 16, 16. You could also say 216,000, which would be 216,000 instead of 216. really easy. There is no tricks in Finnish when it comes to numbers, so that's nice, right? Next, if you come to Finland, numbers are often gonna be talked about in euros, cents, or sometimes in pieces. So euro in Finnish is euro. Euro. It's written the same, but it's pronounced in a Finnish manner. Euro. And when there is several euros, it's euroa. And this is again the plural objective form, not only the plural form, but an objective form, which means you can say that something costs something. For example, this chicken costs 10 euros. Tämä kana maksaa 10 euroa. Right? And then there is sentti, which is cent, sentti, sentti. And here we add an ä at the end, senttiä, senttiä, for the form that you use when you're talking about currency and you have more than just 1 cent. When you have more than 1 cent, then you say senttiä. And pieces, one piece is kappale, kappale, kappale. And when you have many pieces, you say kappaletta. So for example, 10 pieces would be 10 kappaletta. And 1 piece would be yksi kappale. Right. Okay, that was everything for today. That was quite a long lesson because I had a lot to talk about. This is probably gonna take you some time to learn. It was a lot of words, but that's the important things. I wanted to give you all the knowledge that you need to work with these numbers and to combine them. Now you can do anything you want with them, but don't start scamming people. No scam Finnish people, not cool. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Jos pidit tästä videosta, muistathan tykätä ja tilata. Kiitos. Hei hei. Hei hei.